Si Amang meuli lengko, meuli nanti Pak Eko. Emang gamena pantu, tapi ingat nu mainna player pro. Anjas, player pro. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun orang Sunda. Balik deui di channel Capruk Bebarengan. Anu ayeuna mah bade nyobian gagambaran dina tembok. Gagambaranna nyaeta ngagambar tulisan-tulisan anu aya dina Pixai Pro diturutan deui digambarkeun kana dinding kamar. Ngagambarna versi nami-nami YouTuber gaming. Hal sakitu tonton videona dugi karengse.
Nomor 1.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time.
Ya, halo dulur Patrick semuanya.
Nomor 2.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting.
Oke, halo Bray, jumpa lagi kalian dengan channel Dava 25.
Nomor 3.
Khusus YouTuber anu ieu mah aya pantun. Dangukeun ye. Kade dangukeun. Si Amang meuli lengko, meuli nanti Pak.
Nomor 4.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
Yo, halo, welcome back to Barbar Esport again. Bapaknya Ecep jualan soto babat. Katen lu sobat.
Nomor 5.
Alright boy, welcome back again with Marco Cop ya. Sirip.